Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI MediaPad T5, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Security and Privacy. Following that, click on Face Unlock and enter your current login method. Then tap on this square next to Enable Pickup to Wake device to enhance the Face Unlock experience, to switch it off or on. When you're done, hit Continue at the bottom. Then select Allow in the pop-ups. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now select the best option for you, and when you're done, go back. So now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!